So I have a question. What do you do when you're fixing other people's mistakes? Or trying to figure out what the heck happened, like this. I've been working on this vacuum pump in this area, and I just noticed that the back of the headlight's sitting right here, wedged there. I also found a screwdriver right here, and I see where it went right there. I mean, I can see that it broke off one tab there. Not broke off exactly, but it's been rubbing there. So what do you do with this? Do you constantly go through and keep finding things and putting them back? Fix them after somebody else did, even though, you know, I'm not charging them for something like this. This is just, what do you do? So that's a question I wanted to ask you guys. Yeah, but I'm starting these little short videos where 1-2 minutes long, little questions, comments, concerns, whatever, uploading them to YouTube, etc. And if you guys like these conversations, feel free to jump in stream and continue them, or interact with me on YouTube here, and that's fine too. I'd love to see your comments about it. Well, yeah, what do you do about problems that you keep running into? Of course, there's a point where they get so big that you gotta be like this. It's kind of insane and small, where it's like, it's the back of this. So just take this and I'll get it back on there somehow. Although now I see the bracket for the headlight is a little broke. It looks like they probably tried to replace the bulb by taking this out without actually taking the headlight out. I also found this was down here. This is part of the headlight assembly. It was broken. It was jammed under the battery. It's just like, it's one thing after another, keeps stacking up and keeps stacking up. So at what point do you call it and like, look, I gotta fix a bunch of stuff and I need you to pay for it because I gotta get, I gotta get paid for what I'm doing. So that. If I come up with anything else, I'll add it to the end of this video or continue on with this video in this regard. But that. What do you guys do? Let me know. Be happy to hear from you. If your air filter looks like this, I highly recommend changing it. Like now. This is why we can't have nice things.